Vishnu IAS. Today we are going to deal with the most important topic, the foundational topic, that is NCERT'S, that is necessary for our UPSC preparation. When we all start out as students for civil services preparation, our first basic question is where to start from, where to read, what books to pursue. Before moving on to our further advanced books, we need to cover our foundations, because we all come from different backgrounds, from arts, science, engineering and so on and so further, that we have forgotten our basics. For that, we need to prepare our NCERT'S thoroughly so that our foundation gets extremely strong. We will start with history. For history, we will start with 6th standard because history is one of the most important topics for our examinations, and having the foundational since 6th class gives us a holistic perspective of what history is since ancient, modern, medieval period and so on. We will start with our Pass 1. It deals with ancient history, foundational thing. We will move on to our Pass 2 of 7th standard. Our Pass 3 of 8th standard. Our syllabus also includes world history. For that, foundational book is India and the Contemporary World of 9th class textbook of NCERT and 10th class textbook of India and the Contemporary World. And further, we also need to prepare for this book called Themes in World History, which is your 11th class textbook. We will get into more advanced version when we study these books, that is 12th class NCERT'S. Themes of Indian History Part 1, Themes in Indian History Part 2, Themes in Indian History Part 3. Next, in the same history, we will move on to Art and Culture. There are 3 important books for our Art and Culture. Our first book is our 11th class NCERT, which is an introduction to Indian art. Our second book is Living Craft Traditions of India of class 11th, and the continuation book is class 12th Craft Traditions of India, Past, Present and Future. Before moving on to geography, I will tell you that history direct questions appear in both prelims and mains from your NCERT'S. So be thoroughly prepared from your NCERT'S so that your foundation is strongly built and questions are eloquently answered in both your prelims and mains. Now, we will move on to geography. In geography, there are 4 important books. These are extremely important for both prelims and mains because they are the part and parcel of your entire geography. These 4 books are your 11th class Fundamentals of Physical Geography, Indian Physical Environment of 11th class, 12th class Fundamentals of Human Geography, and same 12th class Indian People and Economy. Please remember that all the questions mostly come from these 4 textbooks and they do not cross except for your GC Leon. Now, we will move on to economy. Economy, you know, are the fundamentals of concepts, and you need to grasp these concepts very strongly to answer any sort of questions in both your prelims and mains. For that, these books form your foundation and most important theory for your exams. First, we will start with Indian Economic Development class textbook of 11th standard. Then, Introductory to Macroeconomics of class 12th. Remember, this book is extremely important because many students not acclimatized with the subject of economics. Thus, these foundations and concepts become extremely important to understand other concepts of economy. Next, we will move on to polity. Polity is mostly theory, but we need to understand what each term is explained and known. For that, we need to be thoroughly acclimatized with these textbooks. First is your Indian Constitution at Work, your class 11th book. Next is your Political Theory of class 11th book. This explains smallest of the smallest terms like what is socialism, what is secularism and so on and so further. Finally, we move on to society. Society forms an important syllabus of GS1, and you need to be thoroughly known of what Indian society is and what changes and developments has been done since ancient time in our society. For that, these books form an important foundation. They are Class 11th Indian Society textbook in Sociology and Class 11th Social Change and Development in India, again 11th class textbook of Sociology. You need to realize these all textbooks are very important for you to move on to further advanced concepts that form the part of your syllabus of civil services examination. To give you a gist as how important these NCERT's are, let me give you an example. This question has been directly picked up from a box of Class 8 NCERT textbook of history. That means all the boxes and each and every line of NCERT forms an important part for your examinations. So be thorough with your NCERTs and read in between the lines of your NCERTs. To make things easier for you, Vishnu IAS Academy has brought a beautiful program for you. That is NCERT Foundational Course since 6th Standard to 12th Standard. All the concepts will be grasped and will be taught to you by national teachers. They will come, they will give live classes for you, and recorded classes with validity of 6 months will be available for you. Not only this, questions. We will form questions for you and keep tests for you every week. We will also provide you with all the relevant material. This usually costs you 10,000 rupees. But we at Vishnu IAS Academy believes that NCERTs form the most basic foundation and we want to provide you with the best of education. To make things easier for you, Vishnu IAS Academy has brought you a beautiful program that is Foundational Course of NCERTs. Here we will be covering Class 6th to Class 12th NCERTs of all subjects and we will make sure that you grasp all the concepts. These NCERTs will be taught by national teachers. They will provide you live lectures and recorded lectures which is valid for 6 whole months. Not only this, we will form questions for you and put you tests through every week and we will ensure that you grasp the concepts very thoroughly. For this, usually it costs 10,000 rupees. But we at Vishnu IAS Academy believe that NCERTs form the most important part of your preparation, and for that we are offering you for first 100 students. This will be provided for 1500 rupees only. And to register, please click at the link below. Thank you.